Hi, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today I'm going to be answering a FAQ called, What is Specific Performance? But first I want to say that if you have any questions about what you're going to hear today, you'd like to talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc. That's MEET. JDE.nyc to book a 10-minute phone or 30-minute in-person consultation. Now, what is specific performance? Specific performance is an equitable remedy that you go to court for, basically asking the court to enforce a contract. Now, the way it works is this, and the reason I'm talking about this at all is because I have another one. I have a few of these, where someone is trying to back out of the sale of a house or a property of some kind, and the other side doesn't want to let them back out. So you make an action for specific performance to get them to comply with the terms of the contract. So how do you do that? Well, to have specific performance, one, you need to have a real contract. Number two, as the plaintiff, since you're bringing this action, you need to be ready, willing, and able to comply with the terms of the contract. Okay? So if you're buying a $10 million piece of property and you have $5 to your name, you're not ready, willing, and able to actually go through with the sale. Okay? The defendant needs, of course, to try and back out of this sale. You know, a lot of times they will straight up say, I'm not going through with it. They do it in writing. They think they're going to get away with something. Okay? So you need to be ready, willing, and able. Defendant needs to not be ready to go forward and not want to go forward with the contract. A lot of times this happens because the defendant wants to sell to someone else for a higher price. Now, something else is the defendant has to be able to go through with the sale, right? So if you contracted the defendant to buy this $10 million piece of property and they don't actually own it, they can't go through with it. And the last one is there's no adequate remedy at law. Now, this one doesn't usually apply when there's a contract for sale anyways, but that is the fourth requirement. So there you have it. That's what you need for a specific performance claim. Then what you do is you bring an action in court asking for the specific performance, and it's always good to do what's called a notice of pendency. That means you put a notice on the property stating there's this action regarding the property. That way, it cannot be sold to someone else during the notice of pendency. And the notice of pendency is active for up to 3 years. And you can even get it to go beyond those 3 years. Okay? Hopefully, you're not in litigation that long. But they can't sell it as long as the notice of pendency is on the property. So that's what a specific performance is. If you have any questions about what you heard today, you'd like to talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, please go to meetjde.nyc to book that consultation. And if you like this kind of content, you'd like to get more of it, please like and subscribe so you get more. Once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.